today? Hope you all doing fine. Okay, are you ready to start the day? Let's go. Now, what's the date today? Can you tell me? He knows the class rules, right? We always say it, okay? So now, rule number one, follow directions quick. Now, let's reverse stuff we took previously. Okay, now, please watch the picture. Watch the picture. Can you see it? Okay, let's see here the three choices, okay? And choose the right one. Campfire, flowers, mountains. Where's the right answer? Mountains. Yes, great job, everyone. Thank you guys for participating. Yes. And look here. Okay, please, everybody, don't say anything until we read the three choices, okay? Flowers, mountains, campfire. Where's the correct word for this picture? The first one, it is flowers. Yes, great job. Okay, look at the picture again. And I will read the three choices. Can you read it for me? What about we read it together? Yes, I want someone for this group to come here and read the word. Read the first word, please. Mountains. Yes, mountains. And the picture is mountains? Okay, now, what about the second word? Can someone here come and read it? Campfire. Yes, great job. What about the third word? Flowers. So, where is the right word? Campfire. Yes. Here at the picture. What can you see? Okay, I want you to come here, of course, just like earlier, and come here and what? Wait for me. Okay, come here and write the first word. What's the first word? Flowers. Yes. So, is the picture flowers? No, right? No. Okay. What about the second word? Who want to come? I want this group to come here. One of this group to come here. Yes, come here and read the second word. Rolling hill. Yeah, rolling hill. Yes, great job. Is it correct? Is this rolling hill? Yes, it is rolling hill. But I want also someone to come here and read the last word. It is mountains. Yes, great job. Great job, everyone. Okay, our lessons goals. Okay, you will be able to what? Chant the I love the mountains chant. And name seasons and months. Okay? Okay, let's start. Today we will start what? We already start unit number what? 1. Can you say the title for me? What's the title of our unit? Beautiful nature. Yes, great job, everyone. And we will take what? Lesson number 2. Rhythms and listening. Yes, page number 4 and 5. Yes. So today we will be focusing on page number 5, okay? It's called, at the top of the page you can see fun time. Okay, now let's start. Okay, hocus pocus, everybody focus. I want you guys to focus on the pictures here. You can see what? 4 pictures and they are different. What do you notice? They are different in what? The weather, yes, so they are called Seasons. 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 Great job. And we have 4 seasons. What seasons are we in? What season are we in? It is what? Winter. Yes, it is winter. Great job. Okay, now let's start with fall. Here, fall. 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 Then winter. 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 We get usually what? Cold in the seasons. We start to wear what? Jackets, right? In the fall and winter. Yes, we start wearing jackets. Okay, let's see the other 2. Spring, spring, spring. And this last season, what? Summer, summer, summer. Yes, great job. And in spring and summer, it's usually what? Hot, right? It's usually hot. So, can you tell me what's your favorite season? Yes, it is. Thank you for participating, everyone. Thank you. Now, here is a song about months. So, we make it easier to remember, okay? Okay, now everybody stand up.
Hi, kids.
Let's listen.
Do you know the
sing,
months of
okay?
the year? Here's a song to help you remember all 12 months.
Oh.
Mother Hen is going to sing it for us.
Yes.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Now, let's sing along with Mother Hen. Here we go.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Great job. Now,
Great job, everyone. Great job, everyone. Now, after learning about seasons and months, we'll start fun time, okay? So, everybody, please listen. Okay, I want you guys to what? To listen. Now, let's start.
Months and seasons chant. Listen and match. Then chant and do. Let's practice first. Back to school, it's fall. September, October, November. Back to school, it's fall. September, October, November.
Okay, so first, back to school, it is fall. September, October, November. So, let's see, where's fall? Where's fall in the here are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pictures, right? So let's see, where's the fall? Where's fall? And it's number what? The months are what? September,
Months and
October,
seasons
November,
chant.
right?
Listen and match.
Great job.
Then
So
chant
let's
and
see.
do.
It's
Let's
number
practice first.
1.
Back
It
to
is number
school,
1. Great
it's fall.
job. There's a little rain.
September,
And everybody
October,
have an umbrella,
November.
right?
Back to
Yes,
school,
great job. Now,
it's
let's
fall.
move on.
September, October, November. Getting cooler, winter's here. December,
Getting
January,
cooler.
February.
December,
Getting cooler,
January,
winter's here.
February.
December.
So now we're talking about what? Winter. Winter. And the months are what? December, January, and February. Yes, and now we are in December, so it's winter. right? Okay, now where's winter in the pictures? Where is it? Number what? Number 2. Great job. Now, let's move on.
January, February. Flowers are out, it's spring. March, April, May. Flowers are out, it's spring. March.
Now we are talking about what? Spring, right? So, where is it? It's March, April, and May. It's number 3. Yeah, it's great job. Now, last one.
April, May. Yummy, summer's here. June, July, August, and back again. Are you ready to chant and do?
So, now, last thing, we are talking about what? Summer's here. June, July, August. It's number what? Number 4. Yes, great job, everyone. Now, we will what? Chant and do. 1, 2, 3.
Cool, it's fall. September, October, November. Getting cooler, winter's here. December, January, February. Flowers are out, it's spring. March, April, May. Yummy, summer's here. June, July, August, and back again.
Okay, you are nearly finished, but don't forget to do homework in beige. This is the page here. Please don't forget to do your homework. I will check it. What? Next class. Yes, thank you for today, everyone. We had a good day. Thank you.
Goodbye everybody, we had a good day. Goodbye everybody, it's time to say goodbye to my teacher, goodbye to my friends. Goodbye everybody till I see you again. Wave your hands left, wave your hands right. Turn around once and clap your hands twice. Step to the left, step to the right, jump to the middle and jump out wide. Goodbye everybody, we had a good day. Goodbye everybody, it's time to say goodbye to my teacher, goodbye to my friends. Goodbye everybody till I see you again. Wave your hands left, wave your hands right. Turn around once and clap your hands twice. Step to the left, step to the right. Jump to the middle and jump out wide. Goodbye everybody, we had a good day. Goodbye everybody, it's time to say goodbye to my teacher, goodbye to my friends. Goodbye everybody till I see you again. Goodbye everybody till I see you again.